Hi, it's Ivars. Today, we're going to explore how to play videos, add panel switching for responsiveness, and build the app. I will also be adding these scripts to the GitHub repository. So in this scene, I got Canvas with the panel. The panel has a transparent background. You can also see the buttons, the heart and the home, which just switch us back to the main scene. Next, I got the panel switching script for comfort so that the video can play horizontally if the user rotates the phone. For the video playing, you can use an MP4 file or show it from a website using a URL. Here I'm using a file, and as you see, make sure to assign the camera and video clip in the video component once you added it to a game object in your scene. I used a camera plane instead of another method and advise you to do the same, but it's possible to also render it on texture or material. Now let's look at the building process. So here in the setting, you do want to choose which platform you're going to build for. I will switch back to Android just to show you that the process shouldn't take long. But yes, you can also build for iOS and Windows phones without a problem if you have downloaded all the modules. You need to go to the Unity Hub, then installs to download these modules if you don't have them. If you have any questions or a problem, let me know in the comments. Let's make some adjustments. In the project setting under the player, you want to make sure you fill in the product name and company name and add an icon. Then you also want to have these settings under the configuration section. And to make this work not just on your phone but on platforms like Google Play, you need the key. So make the key and assign it so it looks similar to how you can see here. Building app bundle is an optional setting. But as for Google Play, you need a certain amount of testers. Now I advise you to use itch.io till you get that testing requirement sorted. It's simple to upload your app to itch.io, add information such as text and images, and distribute it. Thank you for watching.